So this is the organizational websites listing here. And if you are in charge of one of these organizations, you can edit the site. So here we're going to look at a specific one. Anyone will do, but we'll pick the Student Council. So you notice here that there's a home page, and there's pages over here on the side. So let's say that you want to edit the home page, but um, you're going to click this little arrow up here, upper right corner. This brings you to the actual document in Google Drive, home, description of Student Council. So right here, you notice that request edit access. Well, I don't have edit access because I'm logged in as myself. But if you, who are in charge of Student Council, were to go here, click on Student Council, and let's say you wanted to edit student leadership orientation. Well, this is a document that is on Google Drive. And so you can edit this by clicking on this arrow and being brought to the site. Again, notice that I don't have permissions to edit. So that's all there is to it. Once you're in Drive, you just edit a Google document just like you would any other document. And the results of the edit will show up on the Google Sites page. There's no need to edit the site itself. I hope that helps.